In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to create advanced digital clock by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. We write the command on the search box, then ChatGPT generates some lines of code. When ChatGPT will stop generating, then copy the HTML code and paste into your VS Code editor file with name index.html. Check your output on your browser, and then, in our project we used internal CSS which is generated by the ChatGPT. Copy the JavaScript code and paste into your VS Code editor file with the name script.js. Check your output on your browser. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.